spellings, our next chapter for verbal ability. Now my dear friends, this is a relatively easy chapter or easy section. Here a list of spellings would be given to you. You just have to choose the right spelling from all the options. It will test your basic knowledge of vocabulary and pronunciation. So let's go through some examples to understand the kinds of these questions. First example, find the correctly spelled words. The words here are efficient, treatment, betterment and employed. Now as we see, all the options B, C, D are wrong spelled. The only spelling which is correct here is efficient. Then the next example. In this question there are 4 options with 4 kinds of spellings of foreign given. You have to choose the right or the correct spelling of foreign. Now we can clearly see option B, option C and option D are representing the wrong spelling for the word foreign. The right option here is option A. Then let's see the second type of questions. In each question below, 5 words are given. Find out the word, the spelling of which is wrong. So in the previous example, you have to find out the correct spelling from the options, but here you have to find out the wrong spelling from the options. In the first question, the options are appraise, commend, maintenance, behavior. Now here, the wrong spelling is maintenance. Then let's see the next question. Here the set of words are passion, fashion, ration, tuition. Now here, the right option is tuition. Tuition is the only word which is wrong among all the spellings. Then let's see the example of the third type. Now here a single sentence is broken into 4 parts. In each sentence below, 4 words which are lettered A, B, C and D have been printed in inverted comma. One which may be either inappropriate in the context of the sentence or wrongly spelled. The letter of that word is the answer. So you have to find from these words which are given below within the inverted comma, the word which is wrongly spelled. The first question gives, they were quite amazed at the turn of events. Now here the wrong word is quite. It is not supposed to be Q-U-I-E-T, rather it is supposed to be Q-U-I-T-E. Though the pronunciation of both the words quite is same, but here the context of the word or the meaning of the word as it is used in the sentence is different. So the right option here is option A. Similarly in example 2, it says he was invited to attend the inaugural of the all-party meet. Now here the option is option D. It is not supposed to be M-E-A-T, rather it should be M-E-E-T, meet. So these are the examples of the different kinds of questions from this chapter. But we'll get better control to this chapter once you go through all our practice papers.